Hey, buddy. What do you think about that butternut squash? It's all over your face. You're a mess. Huh. It's weird? Yeah? Show people the face you make when you eat it. Ready? Oh. No, no, no. No, no, no. Open. Open mouth. Classic. Yucky? Or is it good? More? Have you swallowed yet? You ready for another bite? Do you hate it or love it? More? More? No. We hate it? Butternut squash is yucky. It's not my friend. Yuck. Oh. Are you done? Are we done experimenting? Can we check out your eye right here? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. All right. We'll try something else next, okay? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.